The United States reported more than 50,000 COVID-19 cases on Wednesday, the highest number of new infections tracked in 24 hours since the pandemic began.
Here in Arkansas, 878 new cases have been logged in the last 24 hours. That's more than double the number of yesterday's new cases. The governor also handing down an announcement concerning absentee voting come November. Thanks for joining us tonight at 5 o'clock, everyone. I'm Bob Clausen.
And I'm Ashley Ketz. The report today marks the largest increase for the state in one day and also pushes the number of active cases to just over 6,000. Specifically, our state has seen 6,098 active cases of COVID-19. 2 more Arkansans have died from the virus just since yesterday, bringing the total number of deaths to 279. Hospitalizations are steady at 272. More than 22,000 positive cases have been reported since March, with more than 15,000 recoveries so far.
A lot of information coming out today. Of course, the caseload causing some concern among local leaders. No doubt their eyes are on this.
And Jay Burr is live tonight from the state capitol with what the governor says about this increase. Jay?
Yeah, guys, as you mentioned, officials pretty concerned about today's caseload, being that it's the highest single-day increase that we've seen since this pandemic hit Arkansas here. And this is especially coming off of what we've seen in the past few days, where it was a little bit of a downward trend. Now, many of those typical counties were on that list that we've seen of more than 20 cases. Hot Springs and Washington counties over 100 each. Pulaski County with 98 cases. Officials saying that half of those numbers, at least in Pulaski County, were from Little Rock, and a quarter of those were from North Little Rock. The governor emphasizing that people need to take precautions when out this weekend, especially now. And while the alarm is sounding for this single-day increase, he says it does not reflect the past week.
I don't think it reflects a trend. We'll see a trend as multiple days. And we don't see a trend yet because the last trend we had was headed down. We'll see whether this is a trend or whether it is an isolated day.
Now, officials saying that they are concerned that growing testing capacity will limit supplies, as some hospitals are limiting testing to to those who are showing symptoms, or they're having more tight criteria on who gets those tests. Now, the governor says he's hoping that supply chains will be able to keep up as we're seeing testing ramp up across the nation, especially in higher populated states such as California, Arizona, and Texas. He says there could be some concern right now as to some of those pressure points in supply chains. He's not concerned about it now, but he says he does have a little bit of concern about things going forward into August and potentially into September and October. For now, live from the state capitol, Jay Burr, KRK 4 News.